Guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we shall look at the Bioaqua night cream S, and this is just a few review. All right, so as you can see, it's called the Bioaqua night cream. Okay, so and this is how the product looks like over here. As you can see, the tube is cream in color, and even the box itself is cream in color. So this product goes for 55 pesos or 550 pesos, and it was recently deducted from 100 pesos. Okay, so moving ahead, you need to understand, if you want to buy it, just click on add chat over here from the official website that I am on right now. All right, so let's go ahead and understand what really this Bioaqua night cream does and what it's all about. As you can see here, they say in the description, does repeated ants trouble you all day? So it means this cream literally helps you get over those troubles or repeated ants troubles in your skin. So they ask you if you have such skin troubles day and night and you're looking ugly. Okay, if you're looking ugly, if you have pimples in your face and you want to get over them, then the Bioaqua night cream is the best product you have to come and choose according to them. So over here they say some of the ingredients in this product that help your skin have a good looking skin within a few days are the following. Number 1 is water. Number 2 is glycerin. Number 3 is collagen. Number 4 is alpha arbutin, okay, and many more, as you can see. So the benefits over here, we have it absorbs excess grease from your face. Okay, you all know grease can make you look bad if it's in your face. All right, number 2, it says it removes pigments from your skin. Then benefit number 3, it repairs the skin in the natural barrier way. Okay, so how to use it? How to use the Bioaqua night cream? You have to use it in the way that it's prescribed by the doctors, and it will help you remove pimples, excess in your face, pigmented skin, and all other bad things in your skin. So how to use it? These are the steps. If you want to use it, you have to apply a gentle wash cloth and then cleanse your face using it. So guys, we have some questions over here. Question 1 is it safe to use? Here they say it's not harmful and it's totally safe to use. So it's quite a good product. You should go ahead and try it out by yourself. All right, so guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.